Okay. I see Amazon just came and made a delivery here. And just waiting. I'm going to turn the heated seat on. So I've got a latex for less bed that's getting delivered today. Fortunately, we're just far enough away from the city of Oswego. The driver just said he's caught in it. He's only going a couple miles per hour right now because of the tremendous downpour of snow that he's experiencing now. So we'll see if he makes it here. Keep our fingers crossed. Yep. He estimated 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes now. Okay, might as well just sit here. See some of the snow blowing over there. Wind's carrying it. But it'll work out great if I can get this into the shop, I guess. Depending on what this pallet looks like. Oh, I see him pulling up now. He's just waiting for the Amazon driver to get up. So I always strap my neck camera or some camera on whenever I'm taking a delivery, just in case there's any obvious damage or anything. He had actually swung by here when Thea and I were not home and called. Unfortunately, some of these trucking agencies just assume that when they pull up that folks are going to be home. I'm not really sure why they think that. Most people work. But it is what it is. Always best to call. Very hard to see just where the forks are with this, so How's it going?
Could be better. You get up by Oswego, you can't see your hand.
Oh yeah.
They got tractor trailers all off the road over in Novellis.
Yeah, when the weather gets this way, man, it is. And it really depends on where that band sets. You know, yep. I've had it before where we've had over 4 foot. The top of these pillars, you can't even see them.
Yep. They got about maybe 2.5 feet right now.
Yeah. We lucked out this season so far.
Well, not where I live. I live in Boonville, so we have snow.
Yeah.
And I get snow every day, so.
Right.
I'm only maybe 20 minutes away from Tug Hill Plateau.
Yeah. You get it all the time.
All the time.
Excellent.
All right, sir. Have a good night.
All right. You have a great day.
You too.
Drive safe.
Oh, yeah. I'm heading back towards there.
Sounds good. Okay. It looks to be in good shape. Turn the parking brake off. Now I see there's a piece of cardboard on the top of it here that might start to blow. Yep. Okay, well. Yeah. Let's see if that'll hold it there for a little while. Tilt it back some. All right, so the package looks good. So these are, we ordered latex for less. Latex beds, and currently we've got a Tempur-Pedic that I bought used in 2012, and these are adjustable beds, and ours were adjustable. Ours is an adjustable bed as well, but it's got a really fancy. The one we have has a really fancy headboard and footboard on it, and we don't need those. And I really wanted to get a good organic cotton, organic latex, and organic. There's another organic element to the bed as well, and I can't think of what it is. Cotton, maybe it's wool. See the snow shot off of the roof here. I gotta say, this Green Machine really does handle things quite well. So this is, I believe this is our mechanical part, the base of the bed. So next we're waiting for the latex material to come, and we'll see just how well we do with it. Go ahead here and remove that cardboard for right now. Looks good. We'll leave it right here for right now. Turn the heater off, turn the seat off. That heated seat really does work out nicely. And I didn't turn on any flashers or anything. So the manufacturer looks like it's Rise, R-I-Z-E, Rise Home. Adjustable base, twin, extra long, 38 by 80, fragile, keep dry, team lifting, so it's heavy, handle with care. So the package looks good. So we'll keep our fingers crossed that everything inside of it was put in there correctly. So we lucked out this time from the shipping perspective. Okay, time to end this video. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.